What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day. Check it outside. Let me start over. What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day. Pengboys here. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. And today we're gonna do some unboxing. I got a t-shirt from Hyuns Dojo, and I want to celebrate it with our 100,000 subscribers. But before we get into it, let me tell you how I'm gonna switch up the channel. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to make videos like this. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how me and my mom gonna do a cooking show. So let's get right into it. But before we get into it, let me just show you how good the weather is. Check this out, my view is great. It's my new apartment, by the way. Also, check out this keyboard I got here. It's really new and shit. I got it recently. Got my 2 GameCubes here. Check out this cool ass Battletoads poster painting, and another one here. And another one here. I don't even know who this kid is. So yeah, man, let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so we're finally ready to do the unboxing. Alright, guys, before we get into the unboxing, let me get a sip of this syrup right here. I think this is the vanilla taste. I'm not entirely sure, but it looks really, really good. I've never tasted it before, but my friends come over, they drink that shit. So let's do a little bit of that first. Let's get into it, man. You know, it's really good weather, so why not do it on the balcony, you know? Alright, as you guys can see, the logo looks clean. It looks like a slim fit into a wide fit. I don't really know why I'm doing this video, but all I know is that at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how to make videos like this. I'm gonna give you a small tutorial guide on how to unbox a shirt. I'm gonna show you how to do cooking videos with your mom. So, like, you know, just stay tuned and let's get right into it. Alright, as you can see, it looks pretty clean. This is a clean shirt. Looks like I'm gonna be working out in this new shirt. So yeah, man. Hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to let's get into it before you start, because then you get to go into it.